Looks like you ran out.
It has a lot.
No, it doesn't look.
It's all in there.
What is it doing in there?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have my brother here, which he does not want to do my intro.
Yeah, so what?
Stop being mean. Can you just be nice for a day?
Okay.
So today we're doing the my brother does my makeup video. I don't know, that video been going on for a whole bunch of while, so pretty much, I mean, why are you looking at me like that? So he's gonna attempt to do my makeup today. Now, one thing is that he was watching videos and he does not like the Kylie Jenner voice. So he was watching that Ayla. So that Ayla was the only one that he pretty much liked to watch. I don't know why, but my brother is the type of guy that he likes natural beauty. Every time I wear a full face makeup, he thinks it's a lot of makeup. So
It is a lot of makeup.
No, it's not. So we're gonna go ahead and get started, and that's pretty much it for the intro then, since he does not want to do my intro. No, it's not. It's only a minute and a half.
People don't like that.
What do you like?
Short intros.
How long?
10 seconds.
Hi, bye.
Hey, bye.
That's it. That's 10 seconds right there.
Okay, let's start.
What's first?
That thing that you put on your face, right?
I don't know. You can look around the room. It's all in front of you.
Some cream thing. This? I don't know.
That's not cream.
What is?
That's powder. Smells like granny powder. Okay, let's just start by spraying some face, okay, because that's too close.
You said spray it on.
Not on my mouth. Oh, that shit tastes nasty. You put it too close to my mouth. That tastes nasty.
Oh, I don't.
Primer. This is my favorite primer. So would you apply the primer? You have a cat hair on your finger.
It's your cat, not my fault.
You have small, tiny fingers.
I know. So, where's that ball thing?
Ball thing? You mean a sponge?
Yeah,
you had to wet the sponge.
With what?
Water.
Where's the water?
The same sponge that girl that you hated was using. So go squeeze it in and out and until it gets big. You squeeze all the excess water?
Right.
So do you squeeze it in and out?
No.
So you apply a primer with a sponge.
I don't know what I'm doing, man.
What's next?
I don't know. Where's that cream stuff?
That's what you said in the first place. That cream stuff.
The other cream stuff.
What is it called?
I don't know.
It's right on your face. Everything that you need, it's on your face.
Sigma? I don't know.
He's looking for Sigma. In the front.
Why you keep everything over there?
Do you want to show them what it is?
I don't know what it is.
Okay.
Pro Matte? What is this?
You apply it on there. Are you gonna put it on your fingers?
Maybe.
Do you want to apply it with a brush or a sponge?
What's the difference?
Either way, however you want to use it.
That girl was using a brush, so...
You choose a brush then. He applied it, so just apply it.
It's your fault. I'm ruining your stuff.
But one funny thing, and I was gonna burn him out in a whole bunch of...
Shut up.
You want people to know that you don't know who Hannah Montana is?
I don't know who the fuck that is. Never heard of her.
Miley Cyrus?
Don't know who that is either.
Selena Gomez?
You see, I never grew up with Disney Channel.
Selena Gomez?
Not Selena Gomez, Hannah Montana.
But Selena Gomez, you know who Selena Gomez is?
No. Damn, you look horrible.
When are you doing my brows?
I'm supposed to do those too? I don't know. Who's Selena Gomez anyways?
You want to listen to Selena Gomez?
No.
Okay, where's that power stuff now? I don't like that.
And the Jay-Z song comes on. Doing my hair like yeah. Doing my hair like yeah.
I don't know. I'm looking for that powder stuff that she used.
You're using the same brush?
So, I'm using this.
Okay, and you're gonna use the same brush.
Why not? I just use this.
Okay.
Is it supposed to be a brush thing?
Each brush has its own purpose, but...
They're all brushes.
Okay. You're supposed to tap off the excess, you know that.
There.
Yeah! It's a party in the USA.
Stuff that you use to do the eyebrows thing.
Let me put some Selena Gomez on so you can know who Selena
I
Gomez is.
want to know who Selena Gomez is.
You should.
No.
He thinks Justin Bieber is gay.
He's gay.
He doesn't even know who Ariana Grande is.
So?
Ariana Grande is so fucking like...
I don't listen to girl music.
Oh my lord. Like, doesn't matter.
Yes, it does.
Fer doesn't listen to girl music and he knows who Ariana Grande is.
Cause he lives with you.
He knew who Ariana Grande is way before me. He knows even Camila Cabello.
Cabello.
He doesn't know who Camila Cabello is.
Cabello is. Yeah.
Why are you going to the lipstick?
Cause you need some. Right?
Are you done with my face?
Pretty much.
What about the eyes?
What eyes?
My eyes.
Oh, yeah. Where's that stuff that you put on the top?
You mean concealer?
Yeah, concealer, whatever. Come here. Don't move because I'm gonna use the brush thing.
Okay, he said to don't move. He's gonna use the brush thing. I don't even know what brush he's trying to use.
I mean, this sponge thing.
Oh, the sponge.
This looks bad. Really bad.
You need more?
Yeah.
Okay, you need more.
Close your eyes. I'm gonna fuck up your eyesight.
Okay, you do know under eye concealer you had to have your eye open, right?
That thing's almost inside of your eye.
No, you had to have your eye open for under eye concealer.
I don't know about this.
Okay, I'm telling you.
Okay. There you go.
He applies the smallest eye concealer ever.
Who?
You!
So?
I'm just saying. Yeah, there's some powder right here. There's this loose powder right here.
You said this was granny powder.
It smells like granny.
I never met my granny.
It's not a twist off. You just open it.
Looks like you ran out.
It has a lot.
No, it doesn't look.
It's all in there.
And what is it doing in there?
Oh my lord.
Do I put it on with a brush?
However you like. My brother is the most boring brother ever. Applying it with a Morphe brush.
Is that bad?
It's not the correct brush, but oh well. That powder smells so bad.
No, it doesn't. It's pretty good.
You like the smell?
Yeah. I mean, it's alright.
Oh my god. Are you still popping it on my nose?
Man, I can smell it now. It's not that good.
Yeah, I told you. Just because he saw the girl use it.
That's the only thing she was doing to her face was tap, 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 tap.
That's how you're supposed to do it, not swipe, 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 swipe.
Who the fuck is swiping?
You swipe my foundation all over the place.
Yeah, I forgot about your forehead. Now what?
Eyes. Did you set my eyes?
With what?
The same powder.
No.
Really? You're gonna blow on my face?
Yeah. No. Lipstick.
Eyes.
What about them?
You're supposed to put eyeshadow.
This thing?
No, that's a contour. Do you know what eyeshadow is?
No. I'm not a girl. The correct brush to use. Anyone?
A fluffy brush.
Yeah. I don't get why you put makeup on though.
Because I like it.
You like it.
Makeup is art.
Makeup is not art.
Yes, it is.
If you do not know how to do it.
Oh, that's another thing.
There you go.
Okay, what's next?
I don't know.
Put a lid color on her. I don't know. Try to blend it out.
Oh. Mr. Sponge.
He's blending it out with a sponge.
There you go.
Okay, what else?
I don't know. Lipstick.
Terco con el pinche lipstick.
Lipstick.
Just pop on the darn lipstick so you can move on.
Yay. Beautiful.
Okay, what's next?
See, at least I did that right.
He said he did this right.
I don't know what's next. You tell me.
A lid color, at least.
A what?
Lid.
Lid?
Yes.
It's a lid color.
This is your lid. This right here, it's your lid with your little hooded eyes.
Where do y'all put it? At the bottom? Or on your eyelashes?
On your eyelid. What are you doing it on the eyelashes? Do you know what an eyelid is?
No.
I already told you. It's this right here.
At the top?
Yeah, all that. It's that's your eyelid.
Put it on top again?
So boring.
I know I'm boring. I know I don't go anywhere. I'm always at home.
That doesn't have to mean anything.
Yes, it does.
No, it doesn't.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
No.
I see.
Bring out your Spanglish.
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 With Spanglish.
Talking English and Spanish at the same time.
Okay, see?
Que no.
Okay, see.
Que no.
Fine. Now what?
I feel like you're gonna poke the heck out of my eye. End up looking like mom when she wears makeup.
Actually, mom looks better.
What, you're trying to say that I don't look good with makeup?
Maybe. Maybe not. I don't know. Tell me, now what?
Contour.
What's a contour? Supposed to put that at?
my hollows on my cheek like a zombie.
Like a zombie. Okay, I'm gonna use the cocoa butter.
Why do you want the cocoa butter for?
You said I can pick any one I want.
Okay, you can choose whatever color you want. Let me go ahead and show the people which one you're gonna choose. Which one are you gonna choose? I don't know. You said you can pick anything you want, so just pick anything you want.
Any brush, doesn't matter.
You choose a brush for blush. At last, he chose the good brush.
This is the right one?
Yes, that's the right one. You don't even have a girlfriend.
So?
Why don't you?
I don't want one. I figured out over the last 2 years I can do my daily routine with one. And it's basically be on my phone and play games, so yeah.
So you're just like a typical man. You don't like anybody to tell you anything.
No, I just don't like being bothered.
Yeah, let's do a highlighter.
Okay.
All of these are right here are highlighters.
How do you open? There you go. I don't care if it's wrong.
Using an eye brush.
This is an eye brush?
Yes, that's an eye brush.
Well, it's not today.
I feel like the Mexican girls that do their fucking makeup like so fucking harsh. Like in Mexico.
They don't wear makeup over there.
Yes, they do. There's some cholas that do.
There's some cholas that do. Trust me, they don't.
Have you seen them?
Yeah.
Where? Have you gone to Mexico?
Of course.
I went to Mexico too, but that's not the Mexican part of Mexico.
Then what is the Mexican part of Mexico?
You know, like them ranchos and stuff.
What is a chola gonna
Man,
be?
you need to watch the Rosa de Guadalupe a little bit more.
The Rosa de Guadalupe is all full of lies. They put makeup on. In Rosa de Guadalupe, they put makeup on. Because that's a TV show and they have to do it. So it can look better for TV.
Okay, what's a setting spray?
You're running out.
It feels like it, but it's not running out.
There's nothing in here.
Yes, there is.
There is something in here. This way.
No, you're too far.
There.
You had to put a big old dash on my forehead.
Yeah, so it can set the thing, I guess. What's next?
I think that's pretty much it. You apply a lot of blush and highlighter.
That's how you be looking.
Really?
Yeah. Really.
Hey, if I get to 100 likes, that's what my husband said last time. Well, he said that yesterday. If I do get to 100 likes, I'll do my husband does my makeup, but at least my husband will be a little bit more fun, a little bit more funnier than this guy right here.
You offended me.
Why did I offend you? You offended my subscribers.
By doing what? Your makeup?
By doing this fucking video so lame. I thought it would be more fun.
More fun. I mean, you really wasn't talking either.
Well, what you want me to say? You're the one that's all quiet.
I don't know. Talk to me. Shit.
Now you want to talk?
Yeah.
Oh my god. Anyways, guys, let me take away this makeup and try to do a real tutorial makeup video.
This was a real tutorial.
It was not a real tutorial.
It's a tutorial for beginners only.
Okay, he's gonna call it a tutorial for beginners. Poor people.
Poor people. No. The people would look nice.
Alright, bye guys.
Bye-bye.